Yay!
Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? Hi Gigi, you okay?
Yes!
Yes, I'm okay. Today it's a really nice day for some outdoor activities because it's really nice outside, a bit windy, a bit sunny, perfect. And I was thinking some sensory activity. Ooh, wow! We will touch some things and we shall find out if it's food or if it's not food, and we need to identify all these things in all these glasses. Actually, they're not glasses, they're more like cups. Yeah. All right. Let's start with the first one. What do you think this is? Wow. Whoa, what's this? I have no idea. Or maybe do I? Oh, it's so soft. Ah, that's nice. Wow. Oh wow, they look like seeds, but what kind of seeds? You can make some really nice puddings with it. Oh wow, and these are called, I'm going to tell you, can you say it with me? They're called chia seeds. Chia seeds. Chia seeds. You can mix them with milk, with bananas, with yogurt. And you should ask your mommy for some really nice recipes with chia seeds. I love chia seeds and they're really healthy. So, this is food. Definitely food. Nice. It feels so nice. Ooh. All right, let's see the next one. I'm going to pick this one. All right. Ooh, look at that. Oh, look at that. How does it feel? Oh, so what's this? This isn't food. Definitely not food. Oh my goodness, and look how it flies. Ah! Oh, we need to tidy up after that. Never leave a mess after you, especially not when you're outdoors. Oh wow, what's this? Is this paper? Yeah, some kind of paper. Tissues, napkins. It's so light. Look at that. If a bit of wind comes over, it will fly away. Let's see. Let's try it. I'll place it right here. All right, let's wait for some wind. Come on, wind. Let's make some wind. All right.
Whoa!
All right, so this isn't food. All right, and now I need to tidy up. All right. So I have all the napkins. I shall put them back in the cup so they won't fly away. All right. Please don't fly away. Okay. And let's see what's next. All right. Something yellow. Let's see. Ah, nice. rice. Is this food? Yes, it is. But you don't eat it like this. You need to boil these, and these are called noodles. Exactly, noodles. This is a type of pasta, and you can make food with it. Yes, this is definitely food. Oh, look at that. This feels really, really, really nice and cool. Food, not food, food. Let's see the next one. All right, this one. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. What's this? Let's see how it feels. So, this is grass. Grass with tiny bits of leaves and some flowers. But mostly, we have grass in here. And this is from the nature. And I wonder, is this food? Is this food? Is this something that you would eat? No, no, no. This isn't food, but is this food for someone else? What do you think, Gigi? Is this food for someone else? Is this food for me? Is this food for me? No. Is this food for you? No. But what about animals? Is this food for animals? Let's say cows, maybe? Yes, they eat grass. So this is food for animals, but it isn't food for us. So let's say this isn't food, all right? Only for animals. Food, food. Food for some animals and not food. All right, let's take another one and let's place this right here.
Good job.
Let's take a new one. All right. Whoa. Oh, I played with this before. It was another sensory activity. I remember this very, very well. Snowing with rice. Oh, and we have music as well. It feels so nice. I could just play all day long. What is this? Is this food? Is this food? I think it is, but you need to boil it first. Don't eat it like that. This is raw, and it's called rice. And this is rice. Nice. Nice. Can you see how it goes right through my fingers? Ooh. Ooh. So relaxing. Oh, so relaxing. So this is definitely food. I love rice. Nice rice. A nice rice. All right, so this is definitely food and it's called rice. Let's pick this one. Ooh, heavy. So heavy. All right, let's see. Ooh, and the sound of it. So, what are these ones? Ooh. Can you hear the sound? It's like music. These are called stones. Tiny little stones. We can call them pebbles as well, but let's go with stones. 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 Ooh, nice. Interesting. And can you see they're all different shapes and patterns? Some of them they're bigger, some of them they're smaller, and they have different colors. So their texture is so different. If we think about rice, its texture, it's the same. But For these stones, it's different. This looks different than this, and then this, and then this. Look, they're all so different, and they all come from the same place. Isn't that really, really interesting? Almost like human beings. We're all so different, and we all come from this planet. Look at that. So many different colors and patterns. Oh, look at this. This is almost like multicolored. Look at that. Look at that. Look. And this is soft and this isn't soft. Nice. Look, a black one. A white one. Orange. Oh, we have so many colors in here. Nice.
It's beautiful.
Let's put the stones back. And now my question is this food? Should I eat this? No, 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 no. Never eat stones. Never, never, never. Stones are not food. This stone, it isn't food, so don't eat it. Do not eat it. This isn't food. Definitely not food. Is this food for animals? No, no, no. This isn't food. Nice. It was nice. Let's see the next one. All right. Can you hear the sound? Right. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, soft again. This feels soft. Oh, look, a stone just got in here. This is really, really soft. It feels like the chia seeds. Nice. Ooh. Oh, look, another stone. Nice and soft. Is this food? Is this food? I think it is. And they are called sesame seeds. Sesame seeds, I love them. Especially on top of some nice food. Oh, I love sesame seeds. Ooh, and this is definitely, definitely food. Let's take the last one, and I think this is my favorite. Whoa! Whoa! Woohoo! All right. Definitely my favorite. Oh, it's so nice. Relaxing and soft. And do you know why this is my favorite? Because I love playing with, how is this called? Sand. This is sand. Oh, and I love, 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 love making sand castles and digging into the sand and find treasures. Oh, I remember when I found those treasures, the animals. Do you remember that? With the wild animals and the farm animals. 2 animals! All right, they look very different. What animal is this? It's like a sandstorm in here. Wow. Is this food? Should I eat some sand? No, I shouldn't, because this isn't food. Definitely not food. All right, so now let's see. Let's count them. All right, I'll place the napkins in here, back in here. I hope the wind won't fly them away. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Food, not food. Food, not food. Food, not food. Food, not food. Oh, look at that. So how many? We have 8. That means 4 foods and 4 not foods. Should we mix them up? Yes, we should. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that. Oh my goodness, what's in here? La 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 la. This is definitely a sensory activity. Interesting to feel so many textures.
Oh, wow!
Whoa! Whoa! Look at that. Woo. All right. So who's going to tidy up in here, Gigi? What do you think? Should be me. Oh my goodness. Ah. Such a mess, but so much fun. Wow. All right. All right, I think I'm going to play with something else. All right.
Uh-oh.
No, no, no. I shouldn't do this. I need to tidy up right now. All nice and tidy.